Hey, Will here. Do you want to learn how to sell digital products on Etsy on autopilot? I've got something for you. I'm running a free live webinar coming up very soon. It's called Set It and Forget It. And on this, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital files on Etsy on autopilot. We're going to cover three basic things on the free live training. The first thing is I'm going to show you three ultra successful digital stores that exist right now on Etsy that are doing massive sales. Okay. The second thing I'm going to show you is the top three digital file types that you can sell. And there are three really good ones that you can produce. And then the third thing is I'm going to show you how to speed things up. So right now we can use artificial intelligence big time to help our business. When we combine AI with Etsy and digital files, holy cow, it's amazing. Click the button to register now. We'll see you in there. Have a good one.